How to make money as a kid. Best ways to make money fast. One of the easiest and fastest ways kids can make money is taking surveys. I'm not kidding, literally taking surveys on your phone will earn you cash. It's not going to make you rich, but imagine taking a survey when you're bored. It's probably the easiest money you will ever make. The second easiest way to earn cash is blogging. Blogs make money in a variety of ways and you don't have to be a killer writer or look like a model. Maybe you're interested in gaming. Create a video game review site in which you write about the newest games. Maybe you play a sport. Create a site about football. There are endless ideas to write about and get stable income. If you love being in front of the camera, building a following on YouTube might be your way to earn cash. There are lots of YouTube channels that do product reviews or create content for entertainment. You can make money by becoming an affiliate or through ads. If you prefer to earn cash outside, there are lots of options. You can wash cars around your neighborhood. You can offer to help with the gardening work. Maybe you like animals and want to walk dogs for their owners. There are several other great options to earn cash. Read our article to learn more.